Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be on reusing and cleaning your lashes. So this is a trick that will probably get you like 2 to 3, maybe 4 if you're like super careful and like do it right away, uses out of your lashes. So I'm going to show you guys my favorite lashes. I'll have that video linked down below on my favorite lashes. And this is how I clean them. So these are the ones that I'm using right now, and these are the ones that in this video I'm cleaning. So let's get into this video. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off as usual with the rubbing alcohol. I mean, I use this all the time. It's sterile, it's clean, it's gentle enough where it's not going to irritate anything. It dries really fast. It's just all over great. I love this stuff. And like you could see, I got it at CVS, like so easy. And you're going to use little cotton balls and just clean up the gunk that is around the lash line. Try not to pull too hard because you don't want to pull the lashes apart, but that is basically what you're doing. And then one other like key or trick that I have is that I always have a little case to keep them in, because most times you don't keep the original case and you just want to preserve the shape of them and also not have like flyaways and junk get on them. You don't want them to be like dusty. So I always just keep them in a little case. But that is how you clean them, guys. So you guys can probably get a few uses out of this. The only other tip I would say is clean them after you use them and don't rely on it for the next time you're going to do your makeup. So don't try to clean them right before the next time you do your makeup, because in case they don't last that one time, you don't want to be out lashes and not have any. So those are the tips. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye guys.